Hi. So let's say we have multiple video files that we need to concat into a single video file. We can use FFMPEG concat command for that. Now, first of all, we need the file list. We can use for loop from shell, or we could have just done ls-1 pipe it to a file, but the thing is we need it prefixed with file space. So we did an output of file space, all the file list, and now we can simply pipe it to a file list that we can use with the FFMPEG command. Let's see if it has all the entries or not. There we go, it has all the entries, so we can just start using FFMPEG command. Go something like FFMPEG -f concat -i the path to the file list that we created, -c copy, and then the path to the output video file that we need, which will be a combination of all the input video files that we give. This is impossible to open. We're trying to find the file in the same path that we're running it, so we'll make it an absolute path with $pwd. Now, as you see, it has an absolute path, so we'll use this as in FFmpeg command. It says unsafe file. I forgot to enclose the file path in single quotes. Let's do that. Now I'm doing rm every time because it's an append only command that I'm using in the for loop. Okay, so when I say -0 with FFmpeg, it runs fine. Now let's see if the file is a combination of all with the proper duration. Yeah, it seems like so.